Hey guys, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, we have a Dragon Ball Z music box. Every time you play it, there's a Dragon Ball Z opening that plays. I got this for $1 from an Amazon return pallet store. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see. As you guys can see, it's a music box right over there. It's just a normal music box, but when you open it, see, it says here Dragon Ball Z Tapion, as you guys can see right over there. And when you play this, it's gonna play the OP. So yeah guys, it does play the Dragon Ball opening, and it's very cool. And for $1, this is like the coolest thing I saw for $1. And yeah, so that wraps it up for this short video. And yeah, until next time, peace out.